Welcome back, you guys. I just wanted to share my newest order from Chunkadust. We got these guys here. So I did already do this unboxing only because it's been a lot, you guys. I've been sick and what have you. So I want to at least open them up and check them out. Here is a little card with all of the care instructions as per usual. And I am going to end with the best mold freaking ever that I am so excited about. And we are going to start with this set here of the large and the small butterfly. She does have more detailed measurements on her site if you want to check that out. I was hoping that the small one would be large enough for me to be able to use for my pedicure bath bombs, but I don't think that it will be. I'll have to test out the weight. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger, but there's a possibility if I can fill this in really good and maybe just have to pack it a couple of times, that I could make it big enough for that. It would maybe fit one embed in the center, possibly, kind of, sort of. So I bought these ones because I wanted to do paint your own bath bomb kits, and I thought it would be cute to be able to do multiples of the butterflies and have the large one be a separate one. And then I decided I wanted to get the large ghosty version of the small ghosty that I have for the pedicure baths. And that also will be in a paint your own bath bomb kit for Halloween, as well as just some regular ones. And then this guy has been on my list because I would love to be able to do the bath bomb bottom and then do the ice cream cone top on there with the Wonder Bar frosting from Bath Fizz and Foam. And this is the massive excitement. So I'm actually going to grab my other mold really quick to show you what the idea was, and then we'll go into this. So I had purchased this particular mold somewhere else, and it's really, really super small. The problem with this one was that the neck would always break off. So as the polish bottle was sitting there drying flat on the thing, the neck would break off because it's a little bit higher than where this was sitting, and this bottom part would get flat. So I asked Chunkadust if they would be interested in designing this one so it could be a little bit larger, and with that bonus of having the open bottom that their style has. And this is what they came up with. So this is going to be absolutely perfect of a size for my pedicure bath bombs. If you can see the top, it's very close. Once you widen it out just a little bit to be able to have your Saturn ring on there, it will be plenty big enough if you wanted to put a stick embed in there. I am not planning on putting one up here necessarily, but I'll put one down here. But the cool part about their mold is the way that they design them is you'll be able to unmold it like this and do your tappy tappy. And so the polish bottle can actually be standing up while it's drying. So the neck is not going to break off. The bottle itself is not going to get smushed in either. So I am very excited about this one. And if all of this works out well, this is going to be what my standard bath bomb molds come in on my website for nail artists. So hope this helps. and you guys are enjoying all of your stuff as eventually, because it's going to take a while, but eventually I've got so many other videos that I need to be able to do with making stuff with these, but I will put the link to the molds that I had gotten, as well as when I make them, I will put links to the website just to be able to show you how I was able to get to use them the easiest. Hope this helps. Have a great day.